What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you guys with another Christmas video, but today we're going to be shopping here at 99-cent stores only. We're going to be looking at all their Christmas stuff, and luckily we're able to see everything in stock, because normally when I shop around into the stores, they're barely stocking. So hopefully on this one we have a good luck. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, please consider subscribing to my channel and also like this video if you guys enjoyed it as well. Alright, you guys, so as I just made it inside the store, as you guys can see, I've noticed that they do have 3 full rows of their Christmas stuff. So before I continue with this video, I do want to mention that not everything in here is 99-cent store. As you guys can see from this little house that I've got to show you was $3.99. So the prices for 99-cent stores is actually 99-cent stores and more, because the prices do vary from lowest to highest. So just wanted you guys to look out for that. Make sure that you guys check on the labels and their circle pink labels that they have on each decoration. Say they will show you the prices. Like this one, for example, is $4.99, I think. And then as you continue scrolling through the aisles, you will see a lot of different varieties of things, of ornaments that you guys can get for Christmas this year. So you will be finding a lot of things in here, probably things that you didn't see from other stores, and the prices are not that bad. So there are things in here that you might end up liking. So if you're still into decorating your Christmas tree, I will suggest for you to continue watching this video till the end, and probably you might find something that you still feel like that little thing that you need into your tree, a bonus into the tree, just to make the tree look perfect. But if not, then this is something for you to watch as an entertainment and just see what's new. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I will be leaving you guys continue along with some Christmas music, and I hope you guys don't mind it. There was a lot of music playing in the background, so I didn't want it to get a copyright, so I decided to put my own music in here. So hopefully that also suits the video as well. So thank you so much, you guys, if you continue watching this video fully till the end. Love you guys. Alright, you guys, so I couldn't help myself by grabbing this small little wreath in tinsel. It was only 99 cents. It was really cute. Now, some of these tinsel decorations that I'm showing you guys here, they are so similar to the ones from Dollar Tree. I really like the fact that some of the things that were in the other store are also in here. So if you guys didn't find something from Dollar Tree, you can definitely check here at 99 cent store as well. So as you guys notice, they do have their pink label tags around all the decorations. So some of these tinsels are really pretty. I really liked it, to be honest. And all of their stuff, like I say, they do range for different prices. So that's up to you depending on what you guys need for this year. So there's definitely a lot of selections throughout this year. So they do have their garland in different colors. That's what I liked about. I really don't buy a lot of garland, to be honest, but they do have so much things in here that you guys can get. Just small little items that you can also use as DIY, so that is a lot all up to you. Now here they have these beautiful, gorgeous glitter bows in $1 for 29 cents. And also we are going to be continuing with more of their Christmas stuff. So now I'm already here in the second aisle where they have this huge Santa Claus standing there. I really didn't see if there was a price in it, unless I did. But if I do, I will probably show it here in the screen. So this is metal sleigh is $29.99, which is really expensive. I think that is the highest one that I've seen so far from the decorations. Now they have all of these hats in here as well for 99 cents, and some of them are $1.49. So it just depends on the hat and the stocking that you want, and they will range from different prices as well. So here we found this cute white Santa Claus for $11.99, which I think is cute. I mean, it's cheaper, right, comparing it to other places. So here we're gonna go ahead and continue with looking out through more. So I did find some Mickey Mouse stuff as well, some dog clothes that you guys can buy for your little friend. They also have these accessories that you can put up into your cart as well for a cheaper price. And then as we continue looking at, we have more hats in here. There's more stockings in different patterns. They have the character ones in here. And they are not that expensive either. So just like I said, they have so many things in here that you still can get. They have some pillow cushions as well. They're mini stockings, and they're so cute, you guys. You just have to take a look at 99 cent store and see what you guys want. They also have the miniature ones that you guys can get as well. They also have the 4-piece ones for 99 cents. So there's just so many things in here that you still can continue looking into it and see what you might end up liking. Alright, so we are finally into the last road of this aisle with their Christmas stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and look at the last part of this. So here they have some more decorations for $1.99, and these are some Santa ornaments. So as we continue looking, we will find some more pastel colors, like these ones, for example. They're $1.29 as well. They have all these sequin colors and accessories in it. They do have some craft as well that you guys can get. Some more stuff that you can buy for the windows, some room stickers, some door signs, some more ornaments in here as well. Now these ones right here are super pretty as well, especially if you guys are doing those traditional colors. Now here they have more official plants in it. So as I continue with this walkthrough, you will see that there's more ornaments, some beetle necklaces as well. There's just so many things that you guys have to see. Now, there's some of these things that I probably don't end up showing you guys, but they do have so many things in here. As I mentioned, as we continue with this walkthrough, and there's a lot of these worms. I don't know how you say it correctly, but there's a lot of more signs, like the wood sign. This is Happy Holidays, and it was only $1.49. And the Santa stop sign, as that was $7.99. And I think that one is actually really pretty as well. So in here we will find a couple more things that you can add up into the tree. Like this one right here, it does light up, and it's also an ornament that cost $1.29. So these are just a few little things that you can add up into the tree as well. So as we continue looking through more of these, you will find more metal signs in here that says, you know, greetings and stuff like that. So you will find some pigs, some more wooden signs, some more tinsel trees that already include the ornaments in it, and some of this stuff in pastel are so gorgeous as well, especially if you guys are doing the blue theme. Now this will be perfect if you guys are doing like a frosting theme for your Christmas this year. You will find a lot of stuff in here for a lowest price. Now these beautiful glitter nutcrackers are $3.49. As we continue looking into it, you will find more tree cones and tinsels with ornaments, and then here you have these huge frosting flake ones in blue. And as we continue looking into more, there's more snow flakes that you can add up into the tree or just do a little bit of DIY. And then these other tree cones right here are $8.49, especially this small cone tree. And then you will continue looking into more, and then you will see more selections in here. Then you have find all of these garland, and then all of these pink ones right here in pastel as well. Now these ornaments are not expensive either. They were like $1.49. And then this one right here caught my attention because it looks so similar to the one that I bought in Dollar Tree, which was the blue one. I don't know if you guys have seen my video, but I bought some in blue. But then I saw this one in pink, and I thought that that will be great to add as well. And then here you will see more bush trees, more cushions, more wood signs. And then this one right here is a reversible sign. This is Believe in the Magic of Christmas. You can reverse that and change the sign as well. And then you have all these little table decor signs that you can add up into your house as well. And then you will see some more hanging signs, some more wooden signs, some reindeers as well. So that is all up to you, however you guys are going to be decorating. So as you guys can see, there's still a lot more things to be shown. Not only that, you will see some arrangements to the house, some decor. There will be ribbons, some nature pics that you guys can add up into the tree as well. Like these ones are $1.29, which is a little snow ornament with a little tree inside, and this one has a reindeer inside. And then you have these little pics of animals that you can add into the tree as well. So as you guys can see, here are some more kitchen decor, some glass, some toppers, some plates that you guys can get. There's just so many things, you guys, to be seen in here. And just don't forget about this cute little um Santa boot that didn't have a price. I wish I knew the price, and if you do, well, you can just leave it in the comment. But I think that one was gorgeous as well. And then you will find more trees in here as well, some metal lanterns and some more tree lanterns and more signs, as you guys can see. And then we find a couple more extra garland. And then here, from the last thing that we see, is all these reindeers with the fabric that is a little fur, so I think that is a good deal as well. And then here's my daughter waiting for us to leave. Anyways, we are leaving. We're leaving. Let's check out. Este lado está bonito. El Santa Claus está bonito.